Hello students, today we will continue with English with new unit 8, Nobody's Friend. So I request you all, please open your textbook, unit 8, Nobody's Friend. So children, before we will start this poem, I would like to say something about this poem. So before we will start, here we have some questions I will read for you. Do you like making friends? Do you like to share your things with others? Do you think there is any child who has no friends? So, about this, here, Nobody's Friend is a poem which teaches a great lesson to children. It tells you about the concept of sharing. The poem will help kids know to understand and happiness that comes with sharing. It does so by giving the example of kids who do not share. So some children don't like to share anything of their own self, right? Because and some children like to share everything with others, with their friends, with family, with others. So about that this poem is there, that sharing is a good thing. We come across children who do not prefer sharing their things with anyone, thus they fail miserably at making true friends and are nobody's friend. Such children cannot establish a long lasting friendship with anyone, so they end up alone without any friends. However, if we look at children who love to share their things, they are the ones who can easily establish a friendship with anyone. They do not hesitate in sharing their things and help others in needs. So, the poem tells us that such sharing children get a lot of friends in their lives. So, thus, the moral is that one should always share their things and make others happy. So, let's start this poem. Now, I will read first poem for you and then I will explain. She had some sweets that she wouldn't share. She had a book that she wouldn't lend. She wouldn't let anyone play with her doll. She's nobody's friend. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He's nobody's friend. But I'll share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. So this poem is written by Enid Blyton. So children, in this poem, poet is trying to explain us that the poem is a great lesson for children to teach them the habit of sharing. It is written by Enid Blyton and is a very valuable poem. So the poem begins by telling us about a little girl who does not like sharing her things. Moreover, it tells us examples of things like she has a book but she does not lend them to anyone. Similarly, the girl also owns a doll but she does not allow anyone to play with her doll. This means she is not a friend to anyone. Then the poem tells us about a little boy. He also has some toffees, but instead of sharing them with anyone, he eats them up. Similarly, the boy also has a tricycle which he just rides alone. He does not lend it to anyone. Further, he also has some toys. The boy has a toy train and just plays it with himself. He does not let anyone else play with his train, which means he is not anybody's friend. Then the poet then tells us about herself. The poet tells us that she is a person who has sweets and will also share them with everyone. She then goes on to say that she also has books and balls which is ready to lend to others. The poet also has games which she likes sharing with others. Moreover, the poet also goes on to say that even if she has one apple, she will share the half as well. In addition, the poet has a cake which she is ready to share as well with others. This shows that the poet is very sharing person. So finally, when she says all this about sharing, she concludes by saying that she is indeed your friend. This way, we know that as the poet is sharing her things with others, she is a good friend. So, to sum it up, the poem shows us how sharing can help us go a long way. It is a great habit which will help us make friends. So, children, this poem tells us about differences between people who share and ones who don't share. It gives us an example that those who do not share or share are not nobody's friend. So for making your friends, for making friendship with everybody, you have to share your, it is very good thing to share your things. If you will share your things openly with your all of them, means all with everyone, so all will become your friends and your friendship will be long lasting. So children, sharing from this poem, we are learning that sharing is a good habit for our life. Thank you.